Yo, what's up YouTube? It is 9:31 a.m. I said yesterday I was gonna leave outside 9 latest, but I went to bed pretty late last night. But we're gonna be hitting a gym sesh. I'm still waiting for this YouTube video that I made yesterday, the second vlog in Pattaya, to upload, man. It's been over 12 hours. The hotel upload speed has been extremely slow today. Yesterday's, like, the first video that I uploaded was a lot faster, but on that note, we're gonna head to Fitness7.
Old George pull up, black boy hop out. Shout out to my mother and my father.
Just finished the workout here at Fitness7 in Pattaya, which is open 24/7. The chain I generally use in Bangkok is Fitness 24/7, but I'm just showcase you guys the range of equipment they have. They have quite a few machines, and then some machines I've never seen in my life. Like here we have lateral raises where you put your feet there, and then just showcase it goes up and down like that. I'll showcase some of those, some of these machines as well. Pretty fun machines, to be honest. I'll showcase some of those machines then in my little fitness shorts, and then we have this as well. This is fully a machine for lat pull down, but you put your feet, so it's kind of like you're at a play park, you know. And you have this dual cable cross as well, which you can have in multiple different positions: work, abdominals, single arm crunches, rows, twists. Man, so many machines that I haven't seen. And there's also like a chill, kind of like a pec deck machine out front. Someone was using it just now, so I don't really want to film that. But then as you guys see, we have this over here. And we have the regular pec deck, reverse pec deck machine, and we have your assortment of dumbbells and weights. The dumbbells are a little bit weird. They go up in like twos until it hits 20, then it goes up by like 25. So when I was trying to like progressive overload it, I had to jump from like 20 to 25. So that's maybe not ideal, but pretty decent. You got to make the best of it, right? Make the most of it. We have these machines over here. Nice little mat area. And then we have the front downstairs as well. They have a boxing ring. I saw two dudes, I think, practicing Muay Thai early in the morning when I first arrived. And then I'll showcase the weights. I'll showcase the other room as well. This room is a little bit smaller, but also has different machines that you can check out, that you can use.
How's your cell phone?
Huh?
Did you leave your cell phone up there?
No, my cell phone's in my pocket.
Oh, okay. I was just working on a bench and
someone left? Yeah. Right here we have this. As you guys see, and we have weights over here. We have some more cardio machines. Here we got some machines with the view. But I think the game plan right now is for me to just go get some food, breakfast, shower. I'm gonna upload the vlog. I'm gonna publish the vlog that I uploaded. Hopefully the processing is done. And then we shall head to Jom Tiem Beach after I shower and get ready. But I'll showcase downstairs and then try and find some local spots to hit up. Get some chicken and rice. You know, that's the vibes, man. Oh, thank you. And then over here, instead of having actual escalators, you have one steps. So game plan as of now, we head back to the hotel. Hopefully the video is fully uploaded and hopefully it's processed. I think I spent around almost 2 hours at the gym, so generate a video that size is actually going to take quite long to process, but the processing will be a lot faster than the actual upload of the video because the video file size is like 40 gigabytes and the internet upload speed was like 5 megabytes per second last night. The first night it was a lot faster, but I think there's just maybe more people at the hotel, more people using Wi-Fi.
Pull up, black boy, hop out. Shout out to my mother and my father. Okay. Rolls Royce, pull up, black boy, hop out. Shout out to my mother and my father.
Alright, so the video is still processing up to 2 hours left to process to 4K, so we're just gonna shower, head to Yomtien Beach, get some food, and then see where the day goes from there. It's just gonna be on a planned trip. Alright, so that's just gonna be a quick little vlog. The next one and the last Pattaya vlog will be of Yomtien Beach, which was kind of a vibe, to be honest. I should have probably booked my hotel closer to that area because it seemed, man, Yomtien Beach was just, it was beautiful, to say the least. I prefer it a lot more than Beach Road, and I'll showcase that in the next vlog. I just wanted to say that I'm leaving back to Bangkok tomorrow for 2 days, and then I think the plan is to head to Phuket after that, and then I'm going to be checking the islands of Koh Samui and Koh Phangan out as well. And then we'll see what the future holds after that. I just want to say that Pattaya I don't think personally is for me because I don't partake in drinking or partying, but if I was 18 through 21 years old, like my 18 through 21-year-old self would have had so much fun in Pattaya. But since I don't drink or don't party, I have yet to even see walking street at night. You know, I went there during the day, but I have yet to leave my hotel room in the evening because I'm just been so swamped with editing these vlogs and then just trying to learn new effects and trying to get better with transitions, getting music choice and all the stuff that goes into the vlogs. I need to definitely step up my editing game at some point, and I think that will be the plan when I get back to Bangkok. I'm going to dedicate like maybe 1 or 2 hours a day to learning new effects on top of editing content. I've really been enjoying my hobby of editing and vlogging, and it's given me something to do and keep myself busy at night. But like I said, there's not as much to do in Pattaya in the evening for someone who doesn't drink or smoke as there is in Bangkok. In Bangkok you have all the night markets, and you have all, like, Bangkok is just more of a, I resonate with it more. It's more of a vibe for me. So I can't wait to go back there for 2 nights, and then we'll fly over to Phuket. And I've never been to Phuket, so I'm pretty hyped for that as well. But I'm mostly interested in Koh Samui because I've heard really good things about Koh Samui, and then Koh Phangan as well. Check out those islands. Hopefully it's not raining too much in that area. But without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, which is Yomtien Beach. Peace.
I be backside, 245, 100 stacks for the hood. Only on the jack, cause I wish a nigga would rest. You wouldn't like I, just the wish a nigga could face. They ain't getting paper like they should.